So this is going to be a continuation of this old 83. I forget how many miles is on this thing. 52,000. Tree hunted and something. Anyhow, I got sick as hell for a while there with a disease of what should not be named. Anyhow, in the process of putting a water pump on it, putting coolant in it, it was leaking between where the timing cover goes to the block. So, blessing in disguise here, this thing with the miles it's got, which is minimal, check this out. These are famous, the aluminum with the nylon, and this hasn't completely gone haywire yet, but like, man, this thing is so sloppy, you know, and they're just so problematic. So, blessing in disguise, we're going to go ahead and put a timing set in this and reseal the front and put the water pump on it and belts, accessories. Also, he wants AC fixed, and we flew one of these once before for this guy, and it shortly had a problem after, and this thing sat so much. So we have a new compressor coming, the filter and hose assembly, everything else is hard lined. So we're going to change the seals. We got a compressor coming, and the manifold hose assembly, accumulator dryer. We have the expansion valve coming, or the orifice tube, all the seals, and of course it comes with a tube that goes up underneath this and all that happy junk. So we're going to make sure she's got AC that blows nice and cold. Definitely a blessing in disguise there. That's one of the worst timing set I've ever seen on one of these that hadn't failed yet. And yeah, the brake system is done, and I'll show you under this car because I'm sure people would like to see. Make sure it's still set. We don't want any catastrophic things. Larry, Moe, and Curly, you're welcome. This car is insane underneath. I never showed underneath this thing. It's ridiculous, clean, and nice. Gonna make this quick because I got a lot to do. So check her out. It's nuts. Of course, we have new, rubber hoses run and wheel cylinders. Lines are all good. We did do the rubber back here because it was coming apart. But look at the floorboards in this. I mean, a little bit of surface, but hell, you could brush that off. Man. And of course, calipers and turn the rotors, wheel bearings, seals, everything there. So yeah, so we're going to drop a timing set in this thing and put her back together. Make it happen. Man, look at them brand new tires even. So hopefully, before I head out here in a little bit, we'll have timing set, fuel pump back on this, front cover, water pump, and I'll next week focus on Black Betty over there. And whenever the AC stuff shows up on this, wrap it up and it'll be done. So kind of excited. I'm actually looking forward to driving that one for about a week or so before it goes back. But I'm more excited about that one back there doing some racing.